Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're looking at one of our herbal blends that helps to relieve your sore throat, alleviate pain, and fight infection. Let's learn about organic throat clarity. Let's jump into the ingredients, starting with organic peppermint. Peppermint is a very soothing ingredient for sore throats because of its menthol content. The menthol is an effective decongestant along with cooling painful areas. Peppermint also helps to fight against bacterial infections and relieve nausea. Organic ginger root has many health benefits, but is most commonly used for its digestive support and anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger helps to relieve painful inflammation in the throat and can help to clear up sinuses and congestion. Organic chamomile has been used for hundreds of years for its calming effects. This flower helps to reduce irritation, promote better sleep, and decrease painful inflammation in the throat. Last but not least, we have organic cloves. Cloves are a richly spiced herb and are high in antioxidants and vitamins E and K. These vitamins help to fight infections and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, cloves can help improve digestion and gut health. Next, let's make a fun recipe using organic throat clarity. I'm going to start by brewing 2 to 3 teaspoons of the tea leaves with 4 ounces of nearly boiling water. I'm going to allow this to steep for 8 to 10 minutes if I'd like a stronger flavor, or 5 to 7 for a lighter flavor. I'm going to heat 1 cup of the milk of my choice until just scalding and add the cinnamon and honey. I'm going to whisk or froth this until it's well combined and very fluffy. The final step is to combine the brewed tea and the frothed milk in your favorite mug and top with extra cinnamon if you'd like. Enjoy! Thank you so much for tuning into Tea of the Week this week. I hope you enjoyed learning about organic throat clarity and will give it a try or suggest it to someone who might like it. All the links will be in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye!